Hi, this is TJ Gupta from TagOne LLC. We're excited to submit our entry to FDA's Traceability Challenge. But before I jump into the demo, let me share these two slides first that will give you some context on our solution approach. This first slide on the screen talks about what the process will look like from a customer point of view, a customer who's going to use the system, who's signing up with TagOne to address their traceability needs. So as step one, they will come to the TagOne portal, sign up, after which they'll be provided a login after the information validation. Thereafter, the customer goes in and will need to update their master data, their items, their business partners, their locations, etc., etc. Step four is the key step where customers will go in and upload the transaction data vis-a-vis these Excel templates, which are pre-populated in the system based on the master data which they've already put in. And in step five, TagOne will run validation checks to make sure that the data looks all right, and then push it to the blockchain, after which in the final step, we will run the traceability reports as and when they're needed from the TagOne blockchain. Moving ahead, let's talk about the specific demo scenario which we're addressing. So we've taken the same scenario which was shared with us before by the FDA when explaining the new rules. This is around a farmer called Tom's Produce, who's growing and shipping cherry tomatoes to their first receiver, which is fresh processor, who then receives it, transforms it by adding iceberg lettuce and some other ingredients to the output item, which is salad, and then ships out this new transformed item, which is the salad kit, to the distributor, who then receives it, ships it without transformation to the retailer, who is then making this available for the end consumer consumption. So let me go into the system and show you how all this will look. And of course, given the fact that we only have 5 minutes, I won't be able to show all the transactions. I will just go into farmer and then finally the retailer. But the process is going to be the same. All right, so now let me try and log into the system as Tom's Farms with a separate login and try and upload this information. So I have two things which Tom's Farms is supposed to upload. One is the farm information, and second is the shipping information to their downstream partner, the processor or the first receiver. So I'm going to go to the Excel import functionality. I already have the template downloaded. I'm going to try and upload it now. Keep in mind that there is validation built in, some very basic validation, which might actually reject the data in case if it's not right. Some very basic validation. So let's see what happens now. I've uploaded the template. It's showing me invalid. So let's find out what the invalid entries are. I'm going to click here and I'm going to go into see details. It's showing me that the harvest item, not the planting item, is incorrect. So I'm going to go in there, select cherry round tomatoes and save, and hopefully this will work. Fantastic. It's working fine. I'm going to now basically this is saved. Then I can go in similarly, go into the shipment Excel import and do the same thing. This is a shipment transaction which looks different. I'm going to pick up the shipment file, which is a different file, and I'll basically ship it and I'll upload it. In this case, it's working perfectly fine. And if I want, I can go and check details. Yeah, I can even go and edit in case I want to change anything. So I'm going to get out of the farm. So the next step is the processor. We don't have time to show you everything else. The processor will receive, then they will add iceberg lettuce on other items to create basically the salad kit. And then the processor will ship it out to a distributor who will then receive and then finally ship it out to the retailer. So let me go in and log in as the retailer who's received the final salad kit with the new lot number from the distributor and see what happened there. So I'm not going to show you all the details. All I'm going to do is to go into the reporting and try and see the end-to-end traceability report. So I'm going to go in here, choose the garden salad kit, select a lot number which I know has the information, and click view report. And here we go. We see the end-to-end traceability. And if I want to go in and go into more details, I can slice and dice this information. I can also go into the tabular view to see if there is more information I need. It will track all the specific information all the way back to the farm, assuming the information was captured and shared. That's all we wanted to show here. Hopefully this has been useful. But anything else, please do let us know. Thank you so much.